Okay, everyone, settle down, settle down. Thank you. Okay, today we're starting a new unit of work on the weather. Okay, pretty important. So if we could please open up your books, thanks, and just write that heading down, the weather. So on your table you'll find a word search. On that word search, I'll spend a bit of time putting it together, is everything we're going to be doing in this little unit on the next couple of days and the next couple of lessons is in that word search. So what I'm going to do is give you 20 minutes or so just to go through in silence, please, and complete that word search. Yes, Tom, what is it?
What's Aurora Borealis?
Aurora Borealis. Okay, pens down everybody. Aurora Borealis. Does anyone know? Mary, what do you think?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Fair enough. Anyone else? Bill, what do you reckon?
I don't know, sir.
Well, it's obvious we're coming from a pretty low base then, isn't it? Okay, the Aurora Borealis, for those of you who don't know, Mary, Bill, Tom, it's the term used to refer to the northern lights found in the northern hemisphere, okay? So if you could all remember that, please. Aurora Borealis, northern lights. Okay, off you go. All right, everybody, that'll do. That's plenty of time.
So I haven't finished yet.
Oh, well, we really must get over it. How about you just finish it off for homework, okay? All right, so we can put that word search away and we'll get stuck into the weather. Now, I've got some notes up on the board there that we need to make sure we've got into our notebooks.
So we did this in science last term.
It's like last year.
Well, that's good because this stuff's pretty important. So I've got them up on the board there. Can everyone see that? Okay, if we could start copying down. First thing is that the weather, okay, as it says up there, the definition, it's a state of the atmosphere over a short period of time. Now, that state of the atmosphere includes the following. The temperature. How hot or cold the air is. And that's measured by, anybody?
Thermometer.
Yep, well done. The next one, humidity. The amount of moisture in the air. Obviously when it's raining, there's a lot of moisture in the air. But at other times, there can be moisture in the air and we don't know it. But we can feel it because we get what happens to us when there's a lot of moisture in the air.
Do we become humid?
Yeah, we become humid, yeah. How do we know that? Begins with S. We begin to...
Sweat.
Sweat, very good. If the air is dry, it takes the sweat away, absorbs all that water off us very quickly. If it's not, if there's a lot of moisture in the air, it doesn't take that sweat away. And we sweat and become sweaty. And the last one there is cloud cover. So a day like today, there's cloud cover pretty universally across the sky. We can say that it's a cloudy day. Enough of me now. What I'd like to throw it over to you. On the bottom there's a question. List 5 ways in which the weather affects our everyday lives.
So what'd you do on the weekend?
I went to the beach with my friends.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
cool.
Sounds better than this.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'll need Okay, settle down. Okay, let's quickly, we finished our brainstorming there. Let's have a quick look. What have you come up with? 5 ways the weather affects our everyday lives. Anyone?
If it's hot, it makes me thirsty.
Yeah, good.
When it rains, you have to stay inside.
Okay, good. What you do in the day?
Personal hygiene companies.
Personal. What do you mean by that?
Well, like deodorant for when it gets really humid or hot and sweaty. It's like a whole industry just based on the weather.
Well, that wasn't too bad, I suppose. So I've got a couple that I'll put up on the board. Okay, so if you could copy these down and perhaps add them to your 5.